Hello, myself Sunil R. Here basically we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is city creation. How basically the city creation, and in city creation basically who is controlling each and every life basically. That topic actually we are discussing. One person told that each and every life basically means what actually you want to say. Then one person told that basically for that basically how basically I can give the example. For example, one of the person told that basically assume that basically big earthquake basically happened. Big earthquake. Where basically wherever basically I will do one thing. I am in India, so I will take example of India basically. Assume that big earthquake is happened in assume basically any city in India basically. Any city in India basically. I will here just I am to take the example basically. So big earthquake happened. In this basically what happened? Lots of people died basically, but few basically one child basically is not died basically. One child actually not died basically. So one of the person told that how basically that is possible here basically. Lots of big people died, but one child not died basically. Then he told that that is actually the people who are basically controlling the city basically. That are basically the satellites group basically. So whenever the earthquake basically happens, that time basically the satellite group have the data basically how many people staying there in the city basically. According to that basically everything happens basically. Sometime basically they can control the data basically. That is the child basically was not died. That child basically. That child not died. That child basically. Then he told that yeah, how basically matlab, for this for that basically we have to contact to satellite group basically. Satellite equal to God group basically of the Earth planet basically. Then it was the yes here basically. The satellite groups are equal to God basically for Earth planet basically because they have the data of each and every people basically. And the system basically Earth planet has created basically. That is I have already told Vadodara blood cells, Mumbai blood cells. Yeah, that basically everybody know basically. But the main data is satellite group basically. They have the data of each and every people basically who will who basically they can save basically. To whom basically they can save basically. To whom basically they can save basically. So one of the person told that yeah, this basically is very dangerous topic basically I think. Then one of the person told that yes basically it's very dangerous basically. It's the most dangerous topic basically which is going on basically. So one of the person told that basically. Yeah, that basically child basically was from which group basically. Then he told that basically that group basically that need to check basically who was the which was that group, that each and everything basically. Then he told that okay basically. Then he told that basically yes here basically you are correct basically. So from here basically we got the information that how basically, for example assume basically that lots of big earthquake happened in one of the city in India and one of the child not died basically. So what about be the reason basically? So one of the person told that यार किस्मत बोल सकते हो इस बच्चे की, luck basically you can say. Then he told that might be possible basically. Then one of the person told that or in scientific way basically if you basically take this word basically in scientific way basically that is basically scientific way means what actually Then he told that basically, if I tell that basically scientific way means this basically, scientific way means this basically, this, then basically yes here basically this basically is a scientific way basically. So one of the person told that basically this word basically, set of words basically combination, that time basically word that child basically might not be having. Then which word basically saved him basically? Then he told that that time basically I think the planets basically saved him basically. The planets actually from the planets, for example, when one child basically gets birth, at that time basically assume that 3,75,000 planets basically are connected with that child. That time basically the planets basically was giving the data, and that time basically the planet basically when it was giving the data, that planet basically was connected with that particular person basically. That planet actually saved, might be saved basically that particular child. Then into that it might be possible basically. In this basically you can say few God also basically might be connected. Then it told that might be possible basically. Might be possible. So here one of the person told that basically the 900 crore population basically which is of Earth planet basically. So name that satellite basically which is going to end the entire world basically just within 1 second basically. So he told that basically that child example I have given. Yes, yes, yes. That opposite to that satellite, that child basically was saved from one of the satellite only basically. Opposite to that satellite basically is going to end the world basically. That is 900 population. That also within few seconds basically. Within few seconds basically. That would be the set of words basically. Set of words combination basically. Set of words combination basically. Then he told that yes basically you are correct. You are correct. So one of the person told that when this type of possibility will come basically. One of the person literally asked the question basically. You are telling this, that, basically. Then we become basically totally basically frustrated and told that basically when this type of situation will come basically. Then he told that need to check basically when this type of situation basically will come. When this type of situation will come basically. Then he told that basically need to collect the entire set of words basically which are basically in the universe basically. Then he told that in universe basically. Then he told that yes, in universe basically. Then he told that Earth planet basically is sending the set of words, or basically might be possible that it might be sending one word basically in the universe. That is also possible. So that word combination basically might create problem in entire universe basically. Sorry, entire Earth planet basically. So one of the person told that which word basically is supposed to send basically. That was the very dangerous question. Very dangerous question basically. Which word is right and which word is wrong basically. In universe basically. Then he told that because same way thing basically. Same way basically the words in Earth planet which ends the world, sorry, which ends the 900 crore population, and words basically which saves the 900 population basically. That word is there basically. That word is there. So Earth planet basically is also sending few words basically. That might be one word also, or it might possible that it might be sending set of word also basically, and that are basically equal to planets basically. So that planets basically are the combination. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about